I mean, how many years will it going to take me take me for that? Maybe there's no available limited edition helmet box. He's number 69. Okay, the 69. I do not know where's the 69, but if you're going to flip it over, the 69 is there. Hey, good day everyone. So today we're going to review a watch. Now, obviously from what you see there, the brand of the watch is Tissot. Okay, so now before we're going to open the box, so let's try to know what is a Tissot watch. So Tissot is a Swiss luxury watchmaker. The company was founded in Le Locle, Switzerland. I do not know how to pronounce that city. By Charles Félicien Tissot and his son Charles Emile in 1853. Imagine that one. Since 1853, they're already making Tissot watches. And then since in 1983, Tissot SA has been a subsidiary of the Swiss Watch Group. Okay, so I'm quite excited reviewing this watch because this watch is one of my favorite watches. Though it has some downsides, but then it's one of my favorite watches. So let's try to open down the box. So let's try to see if you also like the watch that we're going to review today. Okay. There. See, that's the Tissot watch. So this is the Tissot watch that I bought. Okay. Sadly, because this one is a limited edition Nicky Hayden watch. Sadly, it comes with this regular Tissot box. The limited edition Nicky Hayden watches, some of the inventory comes with a limited edition helmet box, but this one, it does not come with the helmet box. So I thought this one is not authentic Tissot Nicky Hayden limited edition because it comes with the it comes with a regular Tissot box. But I tried to research online, other shops online, if some of these limited edition Nicky Hayden comes with a regular box. True enough, there are shops online that they said that their Nicky Hayden does not comes with a limited edition helmet box. This is actually the second order that I made with that online shop, because when it comes with the regular box, I called up the customer service and then I asked, is this really comes with a regular Tissot box, because this is a Nicky Hayden limited edition watch. So the customer service personnel told me that yes, it comes with a regular Tissot box. It's only a selected item or selected number that comes with the limited edition helmet box. So she suggested that if I really wanted the limited edition helmet box, why not return the item and then try to see if the next order that I'm going to make will come with the limited edition helmet box. So the second order came still the same in the regular Tissot box. That is the suggestion of the customer service personnel. When I asked if she has control over the inventory, she said she doesn't have any control with the inventory. Well, I just cross my fingers until they're going to deliver me the limited edition helmet box. So I just keep returning the item. So I mean, that would be a very hassle, very inconvenient on my part. So I just settled with this one. So this is the feature of the watch. The series is Quickster. This is a T Sport. This is a T Race Sport chronograph watch. Series Quickster, and then it's a men's watch. Case material is stainless steel, and then the hands is luminous silver tone and white, and then the closure is buckle there, and then the movement is quartz, and then the crystal is scratch resistant sapphire crystal. The case diameter is 47.2 millimeters. The case thickness is 13 millimeters. The strap width is 20 millimeters. Okay, that one. And then this is a water resistant up to 100 meters, convert into feet, that is 330 feet. And then this is Swiss made because of course it's Tissot. Okay, so that is the design there. And then since this is a Nicky Hayden limited edition, on the 6th, this one here on the 6th, it has the Nicky Hayden's star emblem. They are also available of this watch that even though that it has this look here, but if you're going to turn it around, it doesn't go with this back case. It's just I think it's a regular Tissot back case, but this one, this is really the limited edition Nicky Hayden watch. It says there limited edition, and then it has a 69, which is the number of Nicky Hayden, and then it has the name there below. Okay, so let me turn this around. So it has the logo there on the crown, and then okay, so this is how the watch looks there. Okay, so it has the word T-Race there on the other side. And then the dial, the bezel is not fixed, it's movable, clockwise. No, not clockwise, it's counterclockwise. Okay, and then the color of the bezel is black. And then this one, if you're going to press this one, it will move the stopwatch there. And then if you're going to press that one, it will stop, and then to reset, you press this button below there. And then this dial here, the sub dial, that is the second dial, but you can also use this one as a second actually. Okay, so it has a calendar there on the 3rd. This one resembles the pedal of a motorcycle. That's the design of this here. Okay, and then it comes with this rubber band, color blue with white strap. And then this is the clasp. Okay, so let's try to wear this one. How does it look on my wrist? Okay, there. Okay, so that is the Tissot Nicky Hayden watch. Tissot is one of the sought after brands by watch collectors because they said this is a luxury watch but inexpensive. Okay, and then it also says here that with its long history and for being a genuine Swiss brand from the start, Tissot has gained and was able to keep a good reputation in watchmaking industry. What are the downsides of this watch? Well, one of the downside is it's kind of hard for you to tell the time because the dial there, the sub dial, blended with the hour and minute hand because they have the same color. And aside from that, the band itself, this is how the band looks. And then if you're going to look at there, this band actually is already adjusted. It doesn't fit with my wrist, which is relatively small. So because the band is the band is long, and then you have to adjust it to fit to your wrist. But if you're going to look at here, you might question, how are you going to adjust the band? Wait, let me move this box because it it's messing up with the focus of the camera there. So if you're going to look at the band there, you might wonder, how are you going to adjust the band? See? So how? Well, before I adjusted the band, I have to search online how to adjust the band with this kind of band. Because I mean, I also tried to look for a spare band. How much will it cost me if if I made a mistake adjusting the band? It will cost me almost $100. So that's quite very expensive. So I really have to be very careful how to adjust the band. Now here, if you're going to look at the back, it has grooves, and then it has lines here. That's your indicator where you're going to cut the rubber band. The same goes on the other side. There. That same goes on the other side. So you have to be very careful that you cut the right number, not the right number, but the right size. Because if you're going to make a mistake, then there's no going back. So that's why I was so very careful adjusting the band, that that I will not going to buy a spare band for the watch. So that is really the topmost downside of this watch. If I will get bigger in the future, well, I cannot wear the watch anymore. And then if I cannot find a band like this, or a band that goes well with this watch, with this Nicky Hayden limited edition watch, then maybe this watch will end up as a display. Yeah, that's sad actually. But let's just hope that I will not get bigger or get big in the future, so that I can wear this band or this watch for a long period of time. It's a very good looking watch, and you can't go wrong with Tissot. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. How am I going to set this up? There, like that. Oh, okay, let's just put it there. Okay, I'm just going to put it there for a few seconds, and then yeah, thank you very much for watching this watch review. If you have any other information that you know about this watch that I did not tackle in my watch review, you may comment down below. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this watch review, and then I hope you like it, and then I also hope that you like the watch as much as I love it. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.